Sandra, you are drunk. Hello, people. Oh, they made a little flower. I'm going to go out.
I'm coming in.
I'm going in. It's
Hello,
candlelight sushi mukbang.
I have arrived.
Okay, there's something wrong with my tripod. I think it's drunk.
Am I? Can you fix me?
Can you fix me?
Look at this. Oh, I will fix this one. Look at the little flower.
Look at me. Is this better?
Yes. Hello guys. So because I was not filming when Sandra was speaking, I'm gonna say it again. We're doing a mukbang with sushi and yummy stuff.
Yes.
And yeah.
Because we can.
I cannot open this. Yep. Ah, there we go.
I need somebody.
Help! Not just anybody. Food.
Food. Ay, Sandra.
Oh, this is drunk. I remember,
This is drunk.
I remember what my issue with this was last time. Do you remember?
Oh yeah, where it stops and where it ends and where it's Trit.
So like, wait, what? Oh no, I mean like my issue with it was that the wasabi was touching the other stuff.
Yeah.
I don't like wasabi.
But there is a little thing in between.
It's totally fine.
Hi.
Hi.
How? Okay.
We are back together.
Yes. As you can see, in candlelight. This is mukbang candlelight dinner.
Oh. So romantic.
Yeah. Cheers for that. With our
Cheers. Clunk.
not sponsored mantras. Ej, hvor er det cute. Learn Danish with us. Well, that thing is cute. But they put wasabi in it.
What is it though?
Carrot?
Is it carrot?
I think so. Right?
You can just take the whole thing and you have like a little dish for your wasabi. Then you can mix it. Like put
I don't want you.
Oh, you don't have to. It was just.
I know.
I don't want to. I'm sorry.
No. Yeah. Take your.
I like that you know what I'm saying the entire day without me actually speaking. I'm just like pointing and like, well, what about the? Yes, we're doing that. Like,
We're doing it. We're doing it. It's this way. This is so crazy. Well. We went to the Christmas market in Germany. They were so cute. A lot of German people, a lot of Danish people.
yes, a lot of people.
A lot of people.
I'm so happy for food.
I was like, why?
My last proper meal was Saturday.
Oh my god. Well, here you go. And this is not the worst, you know.
I'm just gonna dig in. I'm sorry.
Well, I'm going to do that too in a second. Don't you worry. Because me hungry. A lot. I am going to take you.
Oh yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're so funny.
Wow.
So good. Oh my god, I love sushi.
I miss
so
this so much.
This is like the best. Candlelight sushi.
Yeah. Na 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 na.
Bested friends.
Mhm.
Yes.
Back together. And we are back with you guys. We are sitting in our castle.
In the castle that you can barely see. Why is mine so much darker than yours?
It might be the indstillinger.
Potentially. I can fix that in post.
Yeah. It could be.
I should be able to fix it in post, no?
Yeah. I always do that.
because otherwise I have to get up and pause my dinner, and I don't.
Do you want to do that?
No.
No. Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus, for inventing sushi. Whoa, I don't want to have fake green. I'm going to take you.
Did I tell you the story about my grandpa?
I don't think so.
So, last week my grandpa called me. And my grandpa has had like some brain issues, like some bleedings in the brains and stuff, so like his memory is not all the way there. Like he's still like he remembers us and stuff, it's just like everyday day-to-day things, like sometimes.
Oh, okay.
A little bit.
Yeah.
But anyways, so he was writing this book, and because his something with the brain stuff, it hit the nerve that's supposed to like control how your eyes perceive things. So one of his eyes is not really functioning.
Yeah.
Which means that he has trouble like finding the keys in the keyboard.
Oh, okay.
In combination with the fact that he don't really remember where they are, so he has to look for each key every time. So he was like, screw that, basically, and called me up and was like, so do you want to co-write this book with me? And I was like, sure, yeah, that would be amazing. So it's a science fiction.
Oh.
This man is like past 80, so that's an achievement in itself.
Wow.
And he was like, yeah, I wrote 30 pages and stuff, and I was like, great, sure, we can continue this, and perfect. And then he was like, so we gotta figure out how we're gonna do that, and like talk back and forth and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And he wanted to get like a dictaphone, you know?
Oh, so fashion.
Right. He wanted to get a dictaphone, and then he wanted to send it back and forth with mail.
No!
Yes.
Oh, wow.
It was so hard not to just smile a little bit. It was so adorable, like, and it was so into, like, yes, you could just send it back and forth, and it would be great, and stuff like that. I'm like, that's gonna take a month each time.
It will.
Yeah.
Technology.
So now I said he is still gonna get his dictaphone because he really wants a dictaphone, so we're doing that. But then we're gonna send it with mail instead. Oh, we're gonna like transfer it through, you know, the web.
Oh, yeah. The wide web. Oh my God. But that is cool. So you're going to be a part of writing a book. Is it in Danish?
Yeah. I mean, he's writing a science fiction. That's plenty.
Oh, yeah.
But then I got there, and you know, he talked about how he had wrote all these pages and stuff, and we opened it, and he opened the document. Turns out he did write 30 pages, but he had the sizing of the letters like really high.
Oh.
So when we actually scaled it down to normal, it was like 8.
Oh man.
But you know, it's cool. I don't have much to do in winter apart from YouTube, and you can't do YouTube all the time. Like you want to, but you sort of need breaks from that too at some point.
Oh yeah.
Just need to do something else. You can write a couple of pages, send it back. Perfect.
It's good to help family.
Oh yeah. And it gives them something to do.
Oh yeah. Wow. I'm so fast with eating today, I'm telling you. So fast.
That is so good.
Yeah. Yeah, these. Anyways.
Is that one the same as this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's like. This is all yours.
Well, I'm just taking in from everywhere. I'm so sorry.
But, you know.
I did not realize there was a system.
No. I did not either. Oh, that was a lot of ginger. Wow.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be grown up enough for ginger. There's so much ginger there, no?
It's because there's something else too. But I can't remember what you call it. But there is a lot.
This is not ginger.
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
But the tiny one
So
on top, I actually can't remember what it's called.
Is it like strong?
No.
Oh. No thanks.
I don't even know what it is.
Me neither. But I'm not eating it.
It doesn't really have any taste to it.
It smells like taste.
It smells like taste.
I can't speak. What is that?
It smells like weird stuff. I had a problem with speaking today all day.
Mm-hmm. Did you do filming and trouble?
No.
Oh, good.
No. I was like, I'm going to, save my voice.
For all the filming you're gonna do with me.
Yeah.
And actually, guys, originally we wanted to hang out for like just tonight, and then I was going back home tomorrow. But then we realized that, thanks to my mom, that we were not thinking ahead at all, and we decided why not just stay for an extra night. So I'm doing that. So I'm gonna be here all day tomorrow doing stuff.
That means a lot of filming.
Yes, we don't know what yet, but
Yeah, we are going to figure out.
yes. This is the safe spot, no? This is the point for no wasabi.
Yeah. Oh, Kiri is just really... Oh, God. Never...
That one is contaminated. Maybe that one.
Never... Well...
I just don't like it.
No. But it is, I like it with sushi.
For me, it just also covers up a little bit the taste of the sushi because there's so many things going on. But I know it's personal preference, You like it and it's totally fair, it's just not for me. Oh, I have the little plip plop.
Oh, yeah. I was afraid of that when I was a kid.
You were afraid of
Yeah.
it? Like, what is it called?
Because,
Caviar.
yeah. Because my brother said it was like babies. I was like, okay. I'm not
Oh,
going
you
to eat
know,
that.
like fish babies?
Uh-huh.
Well.
Just the thought about it was like, no. No. No.
Then you became bigger and wiser.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. This just saved my entire life.
Yes, and your next life.
And my next life. Ooh.
I was about to say, watch the candle with the can. Your energy drink is gonna get warm.
Oh yeah. Maybe that's not a good idea. Don't heat up my energy drink, please. You just shut up.
Bop, 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 bop.
Bop, bop, bop. The candles are talking with us again.
That's nothing new.
No.
Oh shoot, now I know I forgot.
What did
I
you?
forgot candles for you. You will have them next time.
Yeah.
They're not
Well,
going
you anyway
anywhere.
have to get your gift.
Oh yeah, I mean we're meeting up in like what, 3 weeks or something again? 4 weeks, 4 weeks.
Yeah.
We're going to
January.
Culling, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
January. Oh my god.
Which is right around the corner. I'm checking this one.
It's crazy. It's crazy to think about. What was it? What did you take? A big one? Oh. What's wrong
Had
with it?
wasabi on it. No.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Makes my taste buds sad. No.
No. Last time we filmed SUSHI Mukbang, we tried those disgusting.
Oh yeah, the little
I don't-
puffy weird things.
Oh
And
my God.
Oh, that was so weird.
I don't know how people eat that because.
Never again.
Oh. Ugh.
But it's kind of like what people say with licorice in Denmark.
Oh.
You know, like Americans, like most Americans, don't understand how we can eat like this.
Yeah.
And I'm just a bit more.
It's salty.
So good.
But it is funny with the Thailandish sweets.
Yeah, they're kind of weird. Like, it's not...
It's very natural, but it's very sweet, some of it.
Is it natural?
Yeah, because they use beans and they use corn.
Yeah.
And...
Actually, I like the little bowl that has the sesame seeds on them, and then it has like beans and stuff inside. Those are good. I like those.
Woohoo! Boop boop.
So,
why am I faster than you today?
What do you mean?
I'm already done.
Oh, I have some of the other things. This stuff. I'm not eating that.
I'm not eating that. Welcome to my dungeon. I was like, am I recording? I am recording.
And also, I've been eating like from both here and here, so like, have at it, you know.
I'm going to take one more.
Yes.
And then I'm going to mix it with chips. Because snacks.
Excuse you? Like, are you gonna... Oh, I thought you were gonna like open the bag of chips and then have a chip. And then...
No. Now I want to try it because you said it. No, then I want to try it with this one.
Do.
What happened to this one? It's a sad one.
That is very sad. I'm gonna do chips with that one then. So we can have...
Bayern. Oh, we can win a trip.
Oh, let's manifest that. That's more blocking for you guys.
If ever in Denmark, these are good. It is Danish, isn't it?
Kim's, yeah, I think so.
Okay.
We
So
don't have them in America.
This is my creation.
This is a little strange. I mean, I'm not opposed to it. It's a little weird. How is it?
It's good.
This is gonna be a mouthful. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this.
Wow. I mean, you know, it's sushi and it's chips. It's sticky rice and crunchy.
I actually don't mind the extra crunch with it. It sort of gives it like a little extra something.
It does, right? Is this still recording? Still recording. Okay.
You can have that one.
You do not want the little one?
It has touched the ingefähr.
Okay, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it
I
with
know
chips.
I'm a big baby, I'm sorry.
No. You can be a big baby. I'm a strange kid eating strange food. No, I don't know what happened here. There's so much wasabi.
I don't know who actually eats this entire plate. Like, who finishes this?
Yeah.
I don't get it. Makes me very confused.
Also because it's for 2 people.
Right. But still though. Like, how would someone in their right mind eat half of that?
Exactly. Yeah.
That's a lot.
It's weird. Well, we finished it.
We finished it. Ooh. Oh, it's your phone. I was like, what is making noises?
Didn't make a noise.
Did it? It makes like wumble noise.
It could actually have been. What have I done here?
You can do it.
Wow.
How's it going?
Very good. Okay. I'm ready. Wow.
Done.
That was a lot of wasabi.
That was a whole plate in 20 minutes. Well done.
Well.
That was very good.
Yes.
I actually have something to finish off this video with.
Okay.
Yes? Yes.
Yes? Yes. Oh god. What is in the bag? Do you have a little gift? Oh, it's heavy.
I have a little Christmas gift for you.
Oh, should I open the Christmas gift now?
Yes, because I'm here. I would rather have you open it. You should show the glitter to the people.
Oh my god, look at that glitter magic. Ooh.
It's so sparkly.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's
think
very
you can.
sparkly. This is so Kiri. This is Kiri.
You already know it's a gift for me when it looks like that.
I like that it's so heavy.
Yeah. I got a new paper. I've used the last one. Your last gifts.
Oh my god, yes, true.
So this one is green now. Was this silver before?
Oh yeah, it's green if you guys can't see it. What is this? It's endless.
Yes.
It's endless sparkles. No! It's the perfume!
Yes!
I asked for, and then you just give it to me. Oh, you are such a sweetheart. Thank you, baby boo.
That's why I sort of like went around this.
Oh, thank you.
Because you kept talking about like, oh, how much am I going to transfer the money? And I'm like, subtle subject change.
I was actually thinking about it today. I was like, she didn't actually, say anything about the money.
No.
Woohoo!
Yes, so now you have it for
I
yourself.
love them.
The thing is, like, I got it and then she always wanted to borrow mine, so now she has her own little one.
I love this perfume. I love it.
The only reason you're getting that size is because they were sold out, the big one. But
Oh, yes.
you still have for a long time in that one.
Otherwise, you're just going to be my pusher at some point.
Yes, I mean if I keep working there.
Oh, yeah.
We will see.
Yeah.
I think it has a little sticky.
Oh my god, why do they have to, Would you please stop doing this?
Making it complicated.
Fuldstændig. Oh, well, that was a little bit Danish.
Fuldstændig.
Fuldstændig.
Completely.
Completely. Make a comment. How does Danish sound for you guys? I would actually like to know. Ooh.
That's so cute.
I could eat this. This is good. I'm gonna spray it on myself.
Yes, you do that.
Oh my god!
Bestest perfume ever. It's the Burberry Her perfume in case. Not the intense, the regular one.
This is so perfect. I mean, the first time Kiri had it on, it was like, what is that?
That is now both your scent and mine. We're twinning more and more as we go.
We are. It's a thing. No one can stop us, okay? We're not meant to be stopped.
No.
But I guess this is it.
I think that's it then.
Yeah.
I think that was a good note to end.
Oh, it was. I'm going to film when Kiri is opening up her gift, but it's not here yet. We were waiting. Yeah.
Oh my god, yes.
So I'm just going to sign off and say thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to go over and subscribe to Kiri. I was like, what am I saying? But yeah. The neighbors are making an outro here, okay? But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye!
Yeah, baby, baby, baby.